10 points. Home cook versus eating out. 1 cost. Cooking at home is generally cheaper than eating out, as you can purchase ingredients in bulk and use them over a period of time. 2 control over ingredients. When you cook at home, you have control over the ingredients that go into your food, which can help you make healthier choices. 3 customization. Home cooking allows you to customize your meals to suit your taste and dietary needs. 4 time. Preparing a meal at home can take more time than eating out, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience. 5 socialization. Eating out is a great way to socialize and bond with friends and family. 6 convenience. Eating out can be more convenient than cooking at home, especially if you don't have the time or energy to cook. 7 variety. Eating out allows you to try new foods and cuisines that you might not be able to make at home. 8 health. Eating out can be less healthy than cooking at home, as restaurants may use more oil and salt than you would use at home. 9 food waste. Cooking at home can help reduce food waste, as you can plan your meals and use leftovers. 10 skill development. Cooking at home can be a great way to develop your cooking skills and learn about new ingredients and techniques.